What's going on, guys? Back to the video. Today we're here at Pasir Ris for a catch, clean, and cook. So I'm here with Emil. He does a lot of cooking, and gosh, can he make his dishes look presentable. So the reason we're here at Pasir Ris is because of the kelongs. We're gonna go out around the kelongs, and because there's anchor lines, so there's a lot of structure here at Pasir Ris. So it's a lot easier to catch some medium to big size fish, whereas in Changi, it's usually just big fish. It's like a hit or miss. You either get big fish or you don't. So we have to come back like mid-afternoon today. So we're gonna get the boat all ready and try to head out as soon as possible. So we'll see you on the water. Tight lines. That was a barramundi. Oh. Okay, we have the Value Bottom Apollo by SG Fishing Rigs. You can change out the snood every single time the snood becomes curly or like stuck. There's a fast attach clip here, and so it's a lot more value. So Value Bottom Apollo. This is the snood. So you just this is the Value Bottom Apollo. I've made these salted baits. Just put your leftover prawn and squid in salt, and you can get salted baits. There's a lot of snags, so I don't really know what to do. I guess I'll drop it straight down here. Emil has a fish on, I think. Chances are, I think it's on a salted bait. Get the net ready. Whoa, first fish. Oh shit, it's a catfish. Wait, go away. Yeah, don't let it puncture the boat. I think this one we like. What should you do with it? The prawn shell. And so just put it in the water. When you catch a fish, don't lift it up. What should we do with it? You wanna keep it or?
Should we just tap out one first, just in case? Because catfish can cook.
But then the thing is the spikes.
Yeah, the spike is a bit annoying.
I'm scared if it go on the boat.
Yeah, it might puncture and stuff, right?
I think never mind lah. It's easy to catch up.
Yeah. She's caught here.
Yeah. And shake it, yes. Bye catfish. Don't come again.
My gosh, I can still see it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so Andrea on the other boat has a fish. Oh, nice grouper.
Wow, just let me out work.
I'm regretting losing my tenure now.
On the assist hook, bro.
I wish I never lost my tenure.
Alright.
Nice grouper.
Want a picture?
Never mind lah. Aloy on the other boat is on to, looks like a very big fish. How was it? Captain? Huh?
See there.
Oh.
Don't release the dangler.
Wow, why are we not getting fish? Keeps being their boat.
Sorry. Enjoy the fight. Alright. Wow, okay. Don't leave out. Yeah.
Was it? Mango jack? Oh, wow, red snapper.
Wow. Hey, hook
I'll catch nothing.
Right, the red man got a red snapper. I like how you are.
Why our boat catch nothing?
Wow, you're damn lucky eh.
I felt it.
You're damn lucky.
I retook already.
This is a good size eh.
Yeah.
Like grouper look like this.
But then your rod is like very...
This rod is shit, bro.
Yeah, my rod is a shit rod.
It's got like 10 kilo.
Yeah.
Wow, I scared it break no. Halfway I was like, please don't snap.
It's like the good old days when we cannot catch fish or we harvest mussel. Ah, here. Nice size mussel.
Nice.
It's not very... Yeah, it's quite... Nice. If we ice cream, we can just catch that. Wow. The worker here is giving us mussels. I don't think we can... It will take like a month to finish that much mussels.
Yeah.
It's like 2 kilos. Yeah. Oh my god. Feels very light. Wow, it's a leather jacket. You caught a fish but caught a leather jacket. It's damn sad. But it looks very beautiful. Alright, let's go. Leather jacket. Bye bye. Oh no. It's not stuck anymore. Okay, so we're back from the kayak outing. It was an extremely bad trip for our boat, but for Andrea's boat, they caught one red snapper and one grouper, so I guess it's still fine for them. So we got mussels, and we're gonna do the catch and cook. We're gonna cook some mussels because, you know, the Blue Barge people gave us a lot of mussels, so we're gonna do a catch and cook with the mussels. So we're just gonna boil the mussels out. We're gonna take the mussels out and clean them a bit and fry them with some butter and lemon. So let's do that right now. Okay, so our mussels and, well, omelet and mushrooms are done. We're gonna give it a taste test. I think I'm gonna try the mussels, a nice mussel with a piece of mushroom. Let's try that. You put a lot of like flavoring and spices in it, so it should taste great. So let's go. There's a lot of lemon flavor to it. And you can't really taste all that, like, you know, poo inside the mussels, which there are a lot of. You gotta take out the poo. Lots of flavors in my mouth. Okay, so we've come to the end of the trip. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. So today, right now, we're just planning to go back. The mussel dish was great. We enjoyed it. And next trip, we're gonna go to around Changi, and we're hopefully gonna catch more fish than we did today, like more big fish. Today, our boat was unlucky. We ice creamed, but that's just how fishing is. So we'll see you guys next time, and sightlines.